Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This delightful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is located in a gated community and awaits the next owner with a discerning taste for quality living. House is located in Spur, Manchester, with easy access to the main road, transportation, and so much more. The main part of the unit consists of 3 large bedrooms, master bedroom suite with ensuite bathroom, accessorized with standing shower, walk-in closet, formal living room, formal dining room, large kitchen, carport, laundry room in unit. Unit as a basement with self-contained 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, dining, living room, and kitchen. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 250,000 or Jamaican $38.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.